Hey guys, we are out here this chilly morning. I wish I could show you. Well, it's been raining off and on for the past 24 hours, and it's very cold. Well, not very cold. I guess I should be extreme, but it's chilly. And we're going out to check on the animals, make sure all is well, and then I think today I'm going to make one of my favorite soups. It's a potato sausage, spicy sausage and kale soup. I have a little bit of kale left over from the garden, and we're going to get it going. Hey guys! Did it rain on you all night? You cold? Let's get you some food, okay? Oh, there's the thing. I think it's in the chicken coop. What's up, guys? Got a couple roosters in the group now. See that guy out there? That's a rooster, that's a rooster, that's a rooster. There we go. So, I'm gonna have to get rid of a couple. How you guys doing? Buddy? What's up, old man? Huh? You be nice to those chickens? Yeah? Okay. Hey guys, are you ready for some food? All right. Okay. All right, now we're gonna go back and get dinner started. Got a couple eggs. All right. Come on, you two. Groupers, Kai. Come on. Let's go. Still got some tomatoes on my plants. I need to get them picked before they freeze. The garden is pretty much done. I do have some beets left and some tomatoes, the corn shot, and we need to come pick our pumpkins as well, but we are out of water. As you can see, everything's just dying. We haven't had enough water to really keep it going, so now we're just kind of trying to get what we can out of it. Still got a couple tomatoes. Over here, I have started cleaning out those beds over there. Got a couple cabbage, but those are some buggy ones. So we're gonna give those to the chickens. We're gonna grab us a onion. Got some pretty good onions right here. That's a good sized one. We'll use that one. And I'll come back out. I can just break them off right now. Let's get some kale. Our kale is pretty much gone, so I'm just gonna pick the last of it and I'm gonna take it inside and let's get our soup started. It's gonna be so good. I like to use my Dutch oven pan, and first I put my spicy sausage in it on medium-high heat, and I let that cook until it's all nice and brown. While the sausage is cooking, I like to add a full sprig of fresh rosemary, and then I add my onions and my celery and my garlic to it and cook it all together. That is all cooked thoroughly. I add my chicken broth, and what I do is I use water and the better than bouillon pot paste that you can get and put in your fridge. Well, I like to use homemade chicken stock. Sometimes it's just easier for me to use this better than bouillon, and it's just quick and easy, and it has really good flavor. Now it's time to dice our potatoes. I'm using Yukon Gold. There was a big sale. A farmer came through with a bunch of huge bags, so I ended up buying a huge bag, so I had plenty to use. I used about 5 large potatoes in this. I like a lot of potatoes in my soup, and so once I got these all chopped up, I put them all in the soup, and then we add our kale, and we're gonna let it all cook together. I forgot to add my celery at the beginning, so we're just gonna add it now and let it cook with the potatoes and the kale. The last thing I add is the kale, and I like to cut the spines off of it and then just give it a rough chop and add it. I add this about 10 minutes after the potatoes have been in so that they cooked through but don't get real soggy. Kale tends to stay really firm even in soup, which that's why I like to use it. This soup is by far one of my favorites and one of my family's favorites. We love to have this on a cold day. It works so good with my sourdough focaccia bread or any kind of bread. You can make my 2-hour French bread as well. It's just a really great soup. We like to top it with a little bit of fresh Parmesan cheese and just enjoy it. Thanks for stopping by my channel, and make sure to check out this recipe and more at 12onmain.com. The links will be in the description below. Have a good day, guys. See you later.